Hey guys, so we had two cars planned to race. Unfortunately they had plans, and so our plans fell through. So we didn't have a lot of stuff to do today, and then Lorenzo's busy, so it's just me. But I got the alternator changed in the Mustang, which you guys will see. But now I'm just gonna take my camera and head south of where I live and snap some pictures, so we'll just get some good clips and time lapses and pictures of the Mustang. But I'll give you a cold start real quick. Just set that there. I picked up my friend Stanley, and we took a quick little drive out south of this mountain here in Saratoga Springs. This is Utah Lake, and I'm just gonna snap some pictures of my car for Instagram. And Stanley wanted to bring his car, but he got rear-ended by a red light runner the other day, or not the other day, 2 weeks ago. So he's been waiting 2 weeks for his car to get back.
Brand new driver. She was 16 years old, had her license for not even a week, and she ran a red light just to hit me, so I'm feeling pretty hurt about that.
And Stanley has a brand new, was it 2018 5.0?
Yeah, 2018
Yeah, 2018 5.0, so.
Third gen Coyote.
So we're gonna race some point, and he's gonna smoke me because this thing's slow. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Alright guys, well there's some driving footage for you today. Real quick, I just wanted to give you an update on the Mustang. My next mod will be coilovers. I haven't decided which ones I'm going to get yet. I'm either going to do BC Racing or SR Performance. Then there was another one, can't remember what it's called, but that should be hopefully in the next month or two. And then we'll have to talk to Lorenzo, see what his plans are with the Evo. He pretty much has it how he likes it, but there's always more. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe.